Welcome. Let's begin by preparing our space. A clean sheet of watercolor paper, soft daylight, and a calm mind set the tone for a peaceful painting.
Using a light pencil, gently sketch the basic shapes. Keep your lines soft and simple. This is only a guide, not a finished drawing. Now, apply clean water to the sky area. Even. Drop soft blues and warm yellows into the wet surface. With light washes, shape the distant mountains. Keep the edges soft and subtle.
Build the midground with loose tree shapes. Use varied green tones and soft tapping motions. Now deepen the foreground with darker values. Add texture using a dry brush. This contrast brings depth to the landscape. Add the final touches, subtle shadows, tree trunks, and a few birds.
Gently remove the tape and reveal the clean edges. Step back and enjoy the moment. Your watercolor landscape is complete.
Thank you for painting along. Keep creating and let the colors flow.